So, andito tayo ngayon sa Siri Subdivision in Calamba City, Laguna. This is one of the underrated subdivisions here in Calamba. Malapit lang siya sa Don Bosco, Canlubang, sa Nuvali, and sa Slex. So, yung details ng property, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at for Close Hub. So, ito po yung property. So, papansinin nyo, ang lapad ng kalsada niya. And then, ayan po yung property. Pasukin natin siya, tawagin natin yung caretaker. Kayo caretaker? Dami sira? Ilang kwarto po siya? Apat?
Dalawa dito sa baba. Sa taas na.
Dalawa dito. Kitchen niya. Ito kwarto din. Ito kwarto din. Sira-sira.
Daming wala dito.
CR. Matagal na kayo dito?
Bago lang po.
Bago lang. Akitin ko taas ha. Ano to? CR din to?
CR din po.
May tulo dito?
Wala po.
Wala naman. Ano to? Balcony niya. Balcony. Isang kwarto. Ito kwarto dito?
Opo. May CR po dyan.
Itong pinaka-masters. May CR din. Dito sa taas,
Dyan.
ito lang ang CR.
Opo, yan lang po.
So this is for bidding. And this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance through in-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. So malaki siya. 320 ang lot area nito. And then merong anto, parang isa pang bahay.
Opo, isang bahay. Wala nang kubo.
Unfinished structure. Floor area niya is 179 square meters. So dalawang building siya or dalawang improvement. Frontage nito is 16 meters and then yung depth niya is 25 meters. So if you are interested to make a bid or offer, please message us directly. So ayan yung parking kanina, and then doon din yung main door. Dito yung dirty kitchen, and then tagos niya tong kitchen. Yan. So maraming ipapaayos, maraming sira, nag-angatan yung tiles. Yan. And as is where is tayo dito. Ang maganda lang talaga dito is malaki yung lupa niya. Magagamit nyo pa yung lupa niya. Malaki yung lote niya, 320 square meters. Location niya, main road yung tapat, malapad yung kalsada nyo. And then yung lupa niya, yung lot area is malaki po siya, 320 square meters. So again, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, message us directly.
Another one's gonna fall asleep the moment your back hits the bed. It's like, hindi mo iniisip, hindi mo naman nararamdaman na you're sleepy, but the moment
you've arrived at your destination.
it's bed, it's like, I'll call, and then that's it. But it would be disappointing. Jennifer Sanchez,
Number 7. Number 7.
you've disappointed me. I have business travel plans and you can't come with me because pets are not allowed. Kaya binilin muna kita kay neighbor. Tapos pagbalik ko, kayo na yung best friend. Did you see my story about Charles?
Yeah.
He was so sweet. I don't know why he was so sweet. Because he was looking at me like I was the center of the universe. Like he loved me so much. And he was just there, he had his head on the edge of the bed and just staring at me like, with so much love in his eyes. It's because he's jealous. We were talking
Giving
about
you attention. He's jealous.
Baby Mary and I were talking about, I think he's jealous. Kasi even when, kasi diba when it's a poodle, you really have to brush them.